If you're looking for a sweet backpacking tent that packs in a whole lot of value without breaking the bank, check out the reliable Grand Mesa. Available in a 2-person and 4-person model, this tent sets up lightning quick. After staking out the corners of the tent, assemble the aluminum poles. Now, place the ends of both of the poles into the quick corners. They'll stand up hands-free, making it easy to connect the clips all the way around. Next, add on the tent fly, using the color-coded corners to get the alignment right. Now, attach the Velcro loops to the poles, clip in the corners, then stake out your vestibule and toss in your gear. The Easy Zip vestibule makes it easy to reach from inside the tent, so there's not quite as much struggle to get up and start the coffee in the morning. When it's time to roll up and roll out, the tent slides easily into the shark mouth carry bag. For setting up quickly when you find that perfect camping spot, grab a Kelty Grand Mesa.